Hi, good afternoon, my dear student. Yes, in our previous class, we have discussed most important chapter, polynomial. Do you know that what do you mean by polynomial? The number, it means they are going to expression for the more than 3 terms. That is called the polynomial. So you have heard that monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. In this expression, we are going to discuss with the monomial. I hope you know that a single terms is there, and that expression we are going to defining for this one. So, and another most important concept today I can discuss linear. So how you can say that x to the power, the equation, I'm not going to discuss the equation. When they have given a polynomial form, in the power, we are going to give one x to the power 1. That equation we are going to discuss. Here, the chapter name is polynomial, right? So in this polynomial, very important concept. So a linear polynomial, that expression generally I can give on the value if generally, so what we are going to values ax plus b is there, right? In this expression we are going to defining for the p of x is equal to ax plus b. So this condition I'm going to define when I can go to general terms p of k. So a of k plus b is there, right? In this expression pk should be 0. When pk should be 0, ak plus b is equal to 0. So we are going to find out for the k values. So k, ak is equal to minus b. So k is equal to minus b divided by a. So look at this one. In this equation, ax plus b is there. This is the coefficient of x. What about this one? This is the constant terms, right? In this expression, we are going to define k is equal to minus b. B means what? B means constant terms, right? Divided by, what is the a? A is the coefficient of x. Hence, we are going to find out for the linear equation how to represent our graphically. That is the most important thing. So in this one, we are going to discuss another most important concept is that how you can go to general, it means representations of graphically. Most valuable things are there, right? So try to understand what we are going to consider. Next, I am going to defining another most important concept, linear replace quadratic polynomial is there. Let us discuss one by one. So in this expression, right? So keep observe. Next, I'm going to defining quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials. In this expression, you know that the equation, the polynomial, if the polynomial in general, right? So that one ax square plus bx plus c, right? So in this expression, the zero polynomials are very important. You have heard that real number chapter we are expressed for the values. On this one, we are going to discuss most important values. So then only I can take p of x is equal to, right? In this one, k I can consider some real number. Here that I can take the values p of k. So p of k later I can discuss if the roots of the quadratic polynomials, I can consider some general roots. Yes, you have studied in 9th standard. So that is x minus alpha and x minus beta, right? In this expression, I can give one example, x square, so 5x plus 6 is there. How to split these values? Keep in your mind. So that equations you are checking. So when you are going to take 3 2s are 6, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. So you can check it this. You are going to using for the splitting method, right? Split topic method. And this one, x square 3x minus 2x plus 6. In this one, x square, shall I take here? These two make it a terms, right? So here x is a common, x minus 3 minus 2, x minus 3. So x minus 2, x minus 3, like a general terms I can express for the values. On this base, we are going to find out for the equation, alright? In this way, we are going to express the terms, how we are going to take each values. So here, ax square plus bx plus c is there here in this expression. So keep or replace, shall I take k? So that one, x minus alpha, x minus beta, right? So keep constant outside, x square, right? Distributive law. So minus x beta x minus alpha x, minus into minus plus alpha beta. So next, kx square here minus k and alpha plus beta x and k alpha beta, right? So ax square bx plus c terms, ax square bx plus c terms. Compare these two, comparing the coefficient, comparing the coefficients. So first here that xx same terms, don't worry about that, and remaining terms a is equal to k. Second one, so here b is there, here minus alpha, so with k is there, k alpha plus beta, second terms. Third terms, c is equal to k alpha beta, right? So now you can observe what we are going to define. So b is equal to, shall I take minus k alpha plus beta. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to b. So here what is the k means? Minus a. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, right? What do you mean by b? B means coefficient of ax. So here what do you mean by a? Coefficient of x square, right? This is a complete expression. Third, here that we are going to take c is equal to k alpha beta. You can take c by k is equal to alpha beta. K means, what is the k means? Here that alpha beta c by a. What do you mean by c? C means constant terms, and so that expression coefficient of x square. Hence a most important equation. This type of simplify for the quadratic polynomial, like next another few terms are there. In this complete for the 0 with values, how to take that k values, and next I'm going to defining for the here p of x, if x is equal to k is there. On this one we are using these all the things. Next we are going to draw the very important geometrical figures. On that base, next diagrams are there, and both diagrams and some problems are there, how to find out quadratic values and how to find out for the cubic values, and when the root has given, how to format for the equation. Next class I'm going to discuss. Thank you so much. I'll continue the next video. Bye.